Are you tired from that long international flight back to the USA? Are you not looking forward to those long immigration lines through customs? There is a solution to your problem. It's called Trusted Traveler or Global Entry for American citizens. This video will discuss how to obtain it and how you will cut those 1 to 2 hour waits in immigration to about less than 10 minutes. Watch this video to learn how. How do I apply for global entry? The global entry application must be completed online. Number 1, created a Trusted Traveler Program, a TTP account on the CBP website. Number 2, log into your TTP account and complete the application. Number 3, pay the $100 non-refundable application fee. Will be good for 5 years once approved. Once you get a conditional approval, you may schedule an interview in an enrollment center or do at airport when returning from an international flight. No appointment necessary.